Howdy folks, Moose Peterson here with your Photo Tip Friday. My best friend, the ubiquitous white towel. What's my tip? Well, it's real simple. This is one of the most essential pieces of gear you can have with you. Why? Well, you're in the traveling in your vehicle, you want to keep the sun off your bag, keep the gear from getting hot. Cover it with a white towel. You're going to go in for that all-important meal. Never can discount those. Want to put your gear in the seat and cover it. There's the white towel. And if you're out in inclement weather, you've got this to blot your camera gear dry, not wipe it, but to blot it, here's your clean white towel. Simple piece of gear, have it with you all the time. Now, if you like this tip and want a whole lot more, make sure to check out my class exclusively on KelbyOne.com.